is Timmy. Timmy is a hypochondriac. Today during his health and disease class, Timmy's teacher mentioned Parkinson's disease, and now Timmy has it in his head that he has Parkinson's. But wait, Timmy, do you even know what Parkinson's disease is? Well, Timmy, this brief educational video will tell you all you need to know about Parkinson's disease. First off, Parkinson's disease is the second most common neurodegenerative disorder and the most common movement disorder.
What?
All of those medical terms just mean that a person with Parkinson's disease progressively loses control of their muscles along with other symptoms. Don't worry, Timmy. Most people diagnosed with this disease are age 60 or older, so relax.
There are 4 major motor symptoms. The first of these are the resting tremors. This means that the affected body part trembles when it is not in use. The second is bradykinesia, or slow movement, which is the phenomenon of a person experiencing slow movements. In addition to slow movements, a person with bradykinesia will probably also have incomplete movement, difficulty initiating movements, and sudden stopping of ongoing movement. The third of these is rigidity, which means stiffness or inflexibility of the muscle. In rigidity, the muscle tone of an affected limb is always stiff and does not relax. And last is postural instability, impaired balance, and coordination. People with Parkinson's disease often experience instability when standing or impaired balance and coordination. These symptoms, combined with other symptoms such as bradykinesia, increase the chance of falling. Currently, there's no treatment or cure for Parkinson's disease. However, the severity and progressiveness of the disease varies depending on the person. Some people with PD could go on to live long lives, while others becoming disabled quicker and may die prematurely.
Do you know what dopamine is? Well, you see, dopamine is a chemical substance in the human body that acts as a messenger between two brain areas, the substantia nigra and the corpus stratum, to produce smooth and controlled movements. In other words, it helps you to control your body when doing even simple movements like raising your hand or taking a bite off your sandwich. When the amount of dopamine is too low, communication between those two brain areas becomes ineffective, and movement becomes impaired. The greater the loss of dopamine, the worse these symptoms are. As for the other non-movement related symptoms, they are probably caused by other cells in the brain also degenerating. Unfortunately, though, scientists aren't sure why those brain cells that produce dopamine deteriorate. Studies have revealed that various dysfunctional cellular processes, inflammation, and stress can all contribute to cell damage. Also, abnormal clumps called Lewy bodies, which contain a protein called alpha-synuclein, are found in many brain cells of individuals with Parkinson's disease. So it's possible those are a factor, but scientists still don't know much about their effect. Also, scientists suspect the dopamine loss is due to a combination of genetic and environmental factors. And be careful, Timmy. Head trauma, illness, or exposure to pesticides may put you at risk to develop the illness.
Now, Timmy, let's talk about what's in store for the future. Besides the normal kinds of treatment found useful for Parkinson's, there are also highly controversial clinical trials being conducted too. An extremely controversial trial occurring right now involves replacing lost neurons in the brain with aborted fetus neurons.
So
lots of different experiments are being studied at this very moment. If any of these treatments are found to be effective, there may be a chance for you to benefit from them in the future.
Oh, neat!
So, Timmy, did you learn a little bit more about Parkinson's disease?
Yeah.
And Timmy, are you still worried you might have Parkinson's disease?
No.
All right, Timmy. Well, just remember, always brush your teeth and clean behind your ears. Have a safe day, and we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye now.